In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix having trouble adding your passport to digital ID on your iPhone. Adding your passport is normally simple. Just open the wallet app, tap the plus icon, choose driver's license and ID card, and then select digital ID to scan the page of your passport and machine readable code. But if you can't scan it or the option is not showing, start by checking your device compatibility. You must have an iPhone 11 or later. If you are using an Apple Watch, it must be a Series 6 or newer. Now, launch settings. Go to General, click on Software Update and make sure you are running iOS 26 or later because older versions won't support digital ID. When scanning, ensure Bluetooth is turned on and make sure your device has a passcode enabled under Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. You should also enable two-factor authentication under Apple ID's Sign-in and Security section. Likewise, go to Settings, General, Language and Region and confirm your region is set to United States since US passports are the ones currently supported. Make sure your passport is not expired, damaged or unreadable. Other passports with worn-out scan lines often fail. If everything is correct and it still won't work, don't worry, this is a new feature and sometimes requires multiple attempts. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.